Here's Dad grilling. Say hi.
Hey, kiddo.
Why do you have that on?
Because there's a lot of mosquitoes around, so I got the citronella candle on to keep mosquitoes away from me. I don't like mosquitoes.
Well, by this fire. They're still coming around you?
Yeah.
This is kind of a gray day, not very nice outside, but here's that. Here's the pool. And
I mowed the lawn for you.
here's Puppy. Here's Puppy. Say hi. Say hi. Kisses. What did you say? You
Said I mowed the lawn for him.
Oh yes, it looks so nice.
And our deer's missing its head.
Oh yeah. Oop. He lost his head. Yes, but the flowers look good. Yard looks good. Nothing much going on here, but you know. We're grilling out, making some dinner, having some burgers. We found a veggie burger for Rachel. I'll flip it around. Get ready, don't get scared. How do I flip this?
I don't know, you can flip it on the video.
Right. Hi, Robbie. Here's me. And here's Dad.
Hi, hey, hey.
Hello. Not doing anything, just grilling. Whoop-de-doo. But there's Reggie. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. We'll video some more. Bye. What you mixing out here?
The old-fashioned.
Dad wore his very bright shirt so you could see him.
Gotta be seen.
How do the burgers look?
Looks like a burger.
Is that mine on there?
That's Mom's burger, and that's Rachel's veggie burger.
And why are your two over
Because
here?
mine don't take as long to cook as yours.
Oh, you like
I like
these
a little flavor to my burgers and my steaks.
Okay, what do you think, Reggie? What do you think? Do you want some burger?
None of this well done stuff.
You want some burger?
Is it hamburger? Yeah, I'll take some hamburger. Oh yeah.
What do you think?
Oh yeah.
What do you think?
Bark. What?
Can you bark?
You want some food? What do you think?
Oh, he thinks there's a bunny. He knows when we get excited and talk excited, then he's got to look out there for a bunny. Then he knows there's a bunny out there. So let's see this drink that you have. What is it?
It's an old fashioned.
Oh, that's a good old fashioned. Ooh, and your Yeti. That is one big old fashioned.
My free Yeti.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
All right. We will.
See, now here's me, but now here's Mom.
All right, let me go.
Since she's always the one on the
Cheers. Here, let me put my. Cheers. Cheers to Robbie. All right. All right, we will video a little bit more later. Show your face, Rachel. Hi. Hi. Say hi to Robbie. Hi, Robbie. She's in her room eating a brownie. We'll bring her veggie burger in a little bit.
How's that brownie?
Oh, it's yummy.
Here's the pool.
See her up there?
Huh? Yeah. Yep.
Turn on the lights on the yuccas.
Oh, yeah, we put yucca lights on. I'm going to show you. The yucca lights. You'll see them better at nighttime. But we put the yucca lights on. There's this one. Woohoo! See? It's pretty boring here, Rob. You're not missing out on much. We're just eating burgers. And that's it. So, kind of boring. See you soon. Bye. All right, burgers are done. We're just eating our burgers. What do you think?
I need another bun.
All right. Which one's mine? That burnt one there?
Yeah, sorry, got a little toasty on the inside. There, see, look at it. Not that bad.
Okay.
You like yours more well
All
done.
right. Well, I guess I'm gonna eat that hockey puck. And
Not that bad. Just the outside of it's bad.
I guess I have some scraping off of the burnt edges to do. And beans. All right, we're eating outside tonight. So,
Bon appetit.
bon appetit. Bon appetit.
Cheers.
Cheers.